In this quick video today, we're just going to give you a quick overview of the LX pump range, in particular the WP and the LX range, by far the most common pumps on the market, and in 90% of hot tubs in the UK today. The two distinct ones, the WP 200, which is typically a 2-speed pump, apart from if it's a WP 400. But in this range, there is a WP 150, 200, 250 and 300, and that oddball 400, which is single speed. But generally, if you see a WP pump, you know it's most likely going to be a 2-speed. It does actually have a -2 to say that on the end. The 200, 2 horsepower, 250, 2.5 horsepower, 300, 3 horsepower. Going straight on to the LP range, which is always going to be a single speed, exactly the same again, 200, 2 horsepower, 250, 2.5 horsepower, 300, 3 horsepower. They are a fantastic little pump, and I replace an awful lot of pumps in the market today. So a nice affordable way of replacing a more expensive older pump on a hot tub today. We stock them in all of the different ranges, and we'll just quickly talk about the wet ends. Typically they come with a 2 by 2 inch wet end. If you just want to double check that, if you measure with your tape measure across the threads, if it's approximately 79 mil, you know you've got a 2 by 2.5. If you end up with one with a slightly different larger thread on the front, or replacing a pump with a larger thread on the front, please do get in touch. But we do have adaptation screws and ways around that, but yeah, please do get in touch. We do the spares, we do replacement wet ends, capacitors, fan casings, all sorts. They come with a pre-molded cable and plug. This is an amp plug, and they plug straight into your spar pack. So again, come with a cable, really great thing. And they also come with the unions. You'll actually get 2 of the unions in the pump. So if you're doing a brand new install, really useful. Thanks for watching.